We're going to find out who's going to win here as the car corner pace car ducks down. We're going 8 laps of heat racing here for the Mountain Dew Roadrunners. And green flag, and we're racing.
And it'll be that 17 machine in a battle with the 64, Ryan Austinson and William Balmus.
And the guy we had trouble with, his name, Chris Mengi, is having trouble with his car. I hope I didn't jinx him, Eric.
I think you did. As the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury in the 3rd spot. And creeping into that 4th spot, it's R.J. Horseman.
As we got a battle for the lead, Wild Bill on the outside, Ryan Austinson on the inside. Yeah, Ryan Austinson really trying to grab that inside hard coming around this time. It's going to be Balms to hold him off. Austinson looking again. Here comes Dwayne Lonsberry to try to get into the party for the battle. Here comes Lonsberry to battle for second. Ryan Austinson's got his hands full with Dwayne Lonsberry.
Lonsberry already the dash winner in that 22 machine.
Could Lonsberry try to go 3 wide almost? Is he clear? He's clear. Is he going to do it? Is he going to look to the inside of Balms? Maybe. Austinson's got challenge here from, who do we got in that 24 car again? That is R.J. Horseman.
Yeah, it's Horseman.
Horseman taking 3rd place now from Austinson as he's dropped from near the front to 4th place.
As it's Balmus in that 64, still trying to hold off the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury.
Here we go. Will Lonsberry try to make his move this time around on the inside of Balms?
Or will the Horseman catch them all?
And here comes the Horseman.
Galloping away. RJ in that 24 machine as the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury a little bit off the pace. And RJ Horseman now in 2nd, right behind the 64 of William Balmus.
Yeah, R.J. Horseman definitely kicking up the horsepower as he's going to look to challenge for the lead against Wild Bill. Well, we got horsepower and Wild Bill. Sounds like the Wild West. Whoa!
Horseman getting a little sideways over there as Lounsbury's going to try and work his way on the top side inside of him. But it's William Balmus in that 64 machine out front with 1 to go.
So now the battle looks to be for second. If Bill Balms can hang on, he may get the win. Lonsberry on the outside of Horseman. And who's it going to be? It's going to be a photo finish for 2nd place, maybe. Not anymore. It's going to be Dwayne Lonsberry to get 2nd. But our winner is Wild Bill Balms. So Wild Bill for 1st, Lonsberry 2nd, Horseman 3rd, Austinson 4th, Wagner 5th. And there goes the guy that I hope I didn't jinx him, Chris Mengi. He's going to ride around the car in the 10 car. It might be his first night ever in that car. So probably he's like, wow, this is a lot harder than what I thought.
A little bit cooler going around the track.
Probably feeling nervous, excited, and scared all at the same time. You never know. We can all find out by talking to him at the end of the night in the pits, as well as every other driver you can talk to in the pits tonight following the races, and you can go down in the Miller Lite Pavilion. And Eric, who's playing live tonight?
Oh, we got the Redneck Boys.